In this video, I am giving you what is the best language to do affirmation or gratitude for manifestation. Now, so many of you are asking this question, and in this video, I am giving you the answer. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. Here is another video with a law of attraction Q&A. So many of you keep asking me like, AJ, is it okay if I do affirmation in my mother tongue or in this language or that language? Is it fine if I write gratitude in Hindi or Bengali or Telugu or Spanish or French? So many people are asking different questions, because most of the time all the affirmations or all the statement that I keep giving all of you are in English, because most of our audience, most of the people in the awesome tribe, they are comfortable in English, and that is why I keep giving in English. But then many people keep asking this question. Now, those of you who are having this question, you need to understand one thing, and that is this thing. If you are not aware about, I read it many years back, that the universe doesn't speak English, it speaks frequency. Like the great scientist Nikola Tesla has said, the universe is made up of energy and vibration. Energy and vibration means there is always the frequency that you are emitting that has the power of manifestation. So you can do affirmation, you can write gratitude, you can do self-talk in whichever language you are most comfortable with. That is the key, because that's when only you will generate the frequency, that's when only your vibration will go higher, that's when you feel that energy to manifest. If you are not very comfortable in English and you are more comfortable in Hindi or Marathi or Telugu or Tamil, but you are trying to do it in English and you are not generating that energy, then you are not going to manifest. It's not going to be very effective for you. So when you are doing affirmation, gratitude, self-talk, when you are writing your dreams, when you are doing the 555 technique, you have to do it in the language you are most comfortable with. Sometimes it can be a mix of two languages as well. If you are comfortable in saying something, saying some affirmation, part of it in English and part of it in Hindi, then do it. It's absolutely fine. But do it with high energy, do it with high frequency, do it with high vibration, so that then you transmit that vibration to the universe, and that's where your thought, your feelings, your vibration will get manifested, and that's where it will come true. Though most of you clearly understand this, but because so many of you were again asking this question, so I wanted to clear it once and for all. And there are some other videos I have made on this kind of similar questions about law of attraction, and I have shared it before. So if you haven't gone through those videos, please go through it. And if you have these kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section, so that I'll make videos on this kind of questions, which is very common but very much insightful, and all of you need to understand it. I'll make videos and I'll share. Please don't expect me to reply to all the comment, because it's not possible. So better, if the question is common, I'll make a video so that it will benefit everyone. So thank you, awesome tribe. If you are asking this question or you wanted to hear this answer, do let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and be a part of our awesome tribe. Like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you. This is Awesome.